Grease Lightning 48. That was in the movie, man. Look at that. Ooh. C28, baby. Dirt bikes. Firebird. 1979 Pontiac, brother. That's a beauty. Look at this. With the rims on it. I'm gonna have to get up out of here because y'all make me buy stuff. I came in here for one thing.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weekly.
Young boy on the beat.
Guys, here we go in Hobby Lobby. Shout out to my brother Brando and the Bando. Check that out, guys. Man, I did not know this store was this incredible. Let's check out all these model cars that they have. Check that out. Look at this. With the rims on it. See why you guys like it, man. This is awesome. So you have cars that's already built. And then you also have model cars. I like that. With the wagon back there. There we go. Look at that. Firebird. 1979 Pontiac, brother. That's a beauty. 59 El Camino. You even got your trucks. New models. Bugatti. Look at that. 17 bucks. Dirt bikes. Man, what? They have everything. Volkswagens, Toyotas, desert trucks. Look at that. Trucks, Jeeps. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Brando, shout out to you, my brother. I'm making this video because that's what you do. I see this, man, and it reminds me of you got Jeff's Models Garage. Make sure y'all check him out too. Shout out to you, brother. Check out the trucks. Look at that Joker. Look like a Joker dunk, man. Caprice Apollo, whatever that is. Pontiac. Look at that. Ooh. C28, baby. Man, they have some sweet rides here, man. This is incredible, man. I don't know if y'all have that, Brando, but go to your local Hobby Lobby, man. This is bad. Look at that 55 Chevy, baby. Check that out. Grease Lightning 48. That was in the movie, man. That's the actual car, model car from the movie. Love that movie, by the way. That movie was the best. Look, we got Back to the Future. Man, they got everything in Hobby Lobby. Y'all get down there to the Hobby. Oh, we got a drag 90 Mustang 5.0 Corvettes. I could go on and on in this store, bro. I'm gonna have to get up out of here because y'all make me buy stuff. I came in here for one thing. This is incredible. Just had to show y'all we got tanks. You're into tanks. Wow. All kinds of tanks too, man. Look at that. Ooh. Visible V8 engine. Nah, that's raw. You might be the first one on my channel to do it. I think I seen Kevin Talbot do this motor. I mean, I'm not sure it's this size that he did, but you know, videos don't do it justice. This box is huge. I have another one, see-through. Ships. It's incredible, guys. Jets. There you go. You got your jets. Airplanes, guys. That is incredible. Brando, go down to your Hobby Lobby, man. I don't know if you know about it, but man, they have some awesome models, brother. This is cool, man. All right, guys. We'll see y'all next time on True Boys RC. Peace.